this event to start. Let's get on with it.
Hey, the atmosphere is electric out there. I can't wait for this match to begin.
Here we are at the US Open, the magnificent Arthur Ashe Stadium. Let's get into the action tonight.
Ivanovic elected to serve. Time.
Well, this could be fantastic with these two girls. Let's get into it. Oh, she's hit that serve out by a long, long way. She might have to take some off this second serve and get it in. So you're hitting balls straight up and down to your opponent. Why should you hit the ball to the side?
It's easier to hit the ball standing there when you know where it's coming than it is when you're on the full run. So you got to test an opponent right away to see what he's capable of hitting the ball on the run, and secondly, what type of fitness level he has. Because let's face it, as the match progresses and you start wearing down, it's tougher to come up with those running, passing shots.
Beautiful setup, and a put away overhead. And game point now. Well, that was a nice easy service hold there. All right, what about bad tactics? I think maybe the one that I'd like to ask you on the hard court, bad tactic, drop volley perhaps?
Well, the ball's going to sit up more, obviously, as a truer bounce, and the ball's going to bounce higher because the court's harder. So there's not as much give. So that's a more dangerous shot. So the likelihood with these guys and girls being such great athletes today that they're going to be able to track that ball down.
Well, how often do we see that? We never see the girls diving for a volley. Then there she did it, and she's done it perfectly. Oh, she's got one heck of a backhand. Down the line winner.
Well, players down love 30, Cap. What do you do now? You try to just go for even more, take something off it, stay back? Do you switch gears that fast?
Well, you think the first couple of points have been a bit rusty, so I think he's got to be hoping that, gets a bit of rhythm here. Maybe not go for something too crazy.